Hey guys, video today is changing a tire on a RV. I'm replacing two of my tires, one on each side, because I bought tires at Walmart and they installed, and I didn't know till later that they put C-rated tires on this, and it has to have D-rated tires. So I just discovered that lately, and so I'm replacing my tires, and they didn't come from Walmart this time. I will never buy more tires from Walmart because I'm fed up with Walmart. But what I'd like to show you here is a couple things that makes changing a tire extremely easy. So show you right down here. I've already jacked my camper up, and these red things you see under here, and when I take it off the camper, I'll show you better. But they're Andersen camper. Well, I'll put a link at the bottom of this, at the bottom of the video, so you can look it up on Amazon. It's a camper leveler, and it came in a 2-pack. So I'll show you more about that later. The other item, half-inch drive battery impact tool. Please keep one on your vehicle, and these jacks, those levelers, keep them in your camper. It just makes everything so much easier. You can see I've already got my tire off the ground. You can see that just by picking it up. No jack. Don't need a jack doing this. I love not having to use a jack. But here's how you take the tire off. That one has already broke loose. So there you are. It's just that simple. Also, point right down here, you want to grease your bearings. That's it. You got to jack them up to spin the wheel while you're greasing. Makes the job real easy. If you want to check your brakes, you got to pull the wheel. So I got to go down and get this new tire mounted on this rim, and I'll be back. Okay, we're back now. I've been to get this recorded, and we mounted on the rim, and I've already put it back on. Lug nuts are tight. I will torque them once I get it on the ground, because you can't torque them when it's spinning. So now I'm going to be we're going to get the camper off of our camper levelers, and kind of show you how that does, and I'll be right back.
I hear you.
Okay, pull our red scotches out from under the end.
Okay. She's ready.
Okay, I'm starting to back up.
Okay. Keep on going. Okay.
Okay, that's pretty simple, very easy. It's really good to have a helper to handle this. Walkie-talkies, we use them all the time to communicate. It just leaves no room for error. It just really works great. Oh, let me explain the bandana with Kentucky. It's been raining the last few days. It's a lot of rain, very humid. 80-some% humidity. So I don't like sweating my eyeballs, so that's why I'm wearing it as a sweatband. So got that out of the way. But let me show you these. It's the Andersen camper, leveler, and wheel cock. When you start backing on this, the wheel rolls in. The higher it goes back in here, the higher it lifts. So this gives you a good 3.5 inch lift if you get way back here. Then when you get where you want to stay, you just slide this under, and that's your wheel cock. So that chocks it really good and very safe. You don't need anything else besides this right here. And you just put them on one side if you need to level your camper, and it works really great. As you can see, you can get the wheel off the ground and change your tires. So just hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it's informative and will help you out, and it's a very good stuff to have on your vehicle. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell. That could be a problem. A little rusty on the lug nuts. Probably should have put a little oil on them.